How to create a wedding invitation in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can create a wedding invitation in Canva. You're probably going around and asking people to create wedding invitations, going to vendors, going to shops and asking for wedding cards, and you're just wondering, it's a wedding period and you're just thinking out of your mind, you're stressed and you don't know how to make a proper wedding invitation. Don't worry, I have got you covered. I'm going to take you through the easiest and simplest steps, and I'm going to guide you through, and I want you to follow all of my steps, and by the end of the video you're going to easily know how to create a wedding invitation using Canva. It's very easy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So obviously, first of all, we're going to need to go to canva.com. Now, once you go to canva.com, before getting into the main gist of what the video is about, I need you to know that you need to have full knowledge of how the basics of Canva work and how the advanced features of it work. So don't worry if you don't know it. You can go to my channel and watch the video I have made on Canva. It's a tutorial on the basics of Canva and what advancement it brings you. Discussed all the features, and I've discussed all the workings of Canva. I've discussed all of what these things are, discussed what this taskbar does. I've discussed how create a design helps you creating designs. I've discussed what all of this is. I've discussed all these templates and all different designs. So watch that. It's very simple, quick, and easy, and you're going to understand Canva very quick and very easily. So once you watch that, you're going to come back here, and then without further ado, we're going to get right into the video. So yeah, now what we're going to need to do is insert your content or canvas. We're going to write wedding, and once we do wedding, it's going to automatically give us, now you can create wedding tags, wedding magazines, but obviously we're here to create a wedding invitation. So let's click on wedding invitation. Now when we click on that, it's going to give us all these tons of templates regarding around wedding invitations, and look at how beautiful these look. So this is what I like about Canva, that Canva provides you with all these amazing templates, and most of them are free. A few of them are paid, but don't worry, most of them are free. And you don't really need to be worried about the paid ones because you can just imitate them if you want. So I'm going to show you how you can imitate a paid one, but for now I'm just going to show you how you can just use these. So for example, I like this one. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go over here. Now once we're over here, look at that. It's already made a proper wedding card for us with all these different elements right here. If, for example, you don't like this element and you think it's too much, you can just go and delete it. But obviously, I liked it, so I'm just going to keep it there. So you can then just work on it and change the wording if you want to. So, for example, you don't want it to be together with families and friends. You can just write whatever you like, to be honest. I just wrote happiness for no reason. And then you can write John and Stacy or whatever the couple's name is. Set the font. Wait, I'm going to make it a bit lower and a bit bigger. So yeah, then I'm going to just put it in the center. And yeah, and then you're just going to change the text, change the address, put in the RSVPs. And once you're done with all of that, that's it. That's how easy it was. So you're just going to go on share, and you're going to go on download. And if it's a digital invite that you're going to be sending online, then you're going to download PNG, because PNG is best for complex images and illustrations, and it has the best quality to send online. But if you want to print these invitations, then you're going to download it in PDF print. And then what you're going to do is just put it in a USB and go to your printer and print. And trust me, it will print it in amazing quality. So yeah, that's basically about it. But this is for if you don't have a lot of time and you don't want too creative on your hand. So yeah, that's in that case. Now, in the case that you want to create your very own wedding invitation and you want to create it out of just your imagination. And if you're the type of person who is never really satisfied until or unless it's purely done by you. So if you're that person, yeah, don't worry, I have you over there too. What you can do is just clear all of this. You're gonna clear this, and now you just have a blank canvas, and from here on, you can create whatever you like. So don't worry, you can still take inspirations from the templates over here. So what you're gonna need to do is, first of all, get a solid background color. Now obviously it's a wedding, so we're gonna go with some light color. We're gonna go over here. We're just gonna choose that. Look at that. It's a light and happy color. And we're gonna go and add some nice text. Take some cute font. For example, we're gonna take this one. I'm just gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna make the center. I'm gonna bring it up here, and then I'm gonna write, "You are invited!" Exclamation marks. Then you can make the text white. Now once you've done that, what you can do is you can add different elements. For example, I like the flowers, so yeah, we're just gonna start adding small flowers. Don't make it too big and overpower it. So we're gonna add that, and we're gonna add it right here. Wait, I'm gonna try to do this. There we go. And I'm gonna make it white. Yeah, that looks much better. And I'm gonna try, you know what? Let's keep it here with a black one. Yeah. So we can do it like that, and then we can add more flowers if we want to, purely. Like for example, if we keep it here, and I'm just gonna play with the transparency. I'm gonna make it a bit transparent. I'm gonna play with these transparencies also. And I'm gonna play with this transparency also. So yeah, then, and this is just for example purposes. You can add more in the background if you want to. Now you're gonna go to text. You're gonna add more texts down here to make it look more attractive. And then you're gonna, if you want to, you can put in more elements. For example, if I add wedding, yeah, you can add in these nice little rings in the middle if you want to. You can add this photo of this couple, and you can add it right here. Obviously, just remember to add it in the background. If you add it in the foreground, it's going to be a bit too overpowering, and it just wouldn't give a wedding invitation vibe at all. And then you're just going to add your text of choice. And once you add your text of choice, all you're going to need to do is going to go and share. I'm going to go and download. Once you go and download, you're going to choose your type of file. Again, if it's a digital invitation that you're going to send online, you're going to download PNG. But invitation that you want to take printouts of, you're going to choose PDF print. And once you do that, you're just going to click on download, wait for it to download, and once it's downloaded, you're good to go. Yeah. So basically, that's how easy and simple and quick it was to create your very own wedding invitation card just by using Canva. So if you have any queries related to this video, please let me know down in the comments and I will help you ASAP. And if you want to see more videos like this, do let me know that as well, and I will make more tutorials for you in the future. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel as it helps me a lot. Share this video with your loved ones and anyone in need of a video like this. And leave a nice comment if you liked the video. But yeah, apart from that, I hope you all have an amazing day. And that's all from me. Goodbye.